Guys, imagine imagine I was waiting Lozzie for this thing to start moving. Guys, we have finished taking some pics. I'll praise to Dilly, and though she has not taken me any picture, it's okay. What you want to do? What, Lozzie? So come here, or let's move on that direction. Let's use a lift or the escalator to go down now. We are down on the first floor, but this lady does not want to work. Let's use the... Okay guys, use the down. Let's wait. It's on the ground floor. Let's wait. Ground floor. Where is the ground floor by then? And you are... Guys. Nigga. Aye. Guys, man. Let's see. Let's wait and see. But guys, you cannot see me. I know for sure. It's dark, man. It's getting dark. It's allowed. Let me check that. Guys, we are still waiting on the data. It's allowed. It has arrived. It's allowed 6:30, so it's getting dark. I know from now you not see me well in terms of close. Where is the bottom? One. No, cloud. Supposed to be cloud. Wow, if we would have pressed basement one, there's like a basement. Basement inside a basement. Huh? Have you ever had basement down than basement? Cloud. But that's a... Where are you going? Wow, guys, we have arrived at the bottom. Let's see the waterfall from there and down here. Palace Boutique. Beautiful with safari. Adi safari come show. Come, Lozzie. This is the waterfall from the cloud here. Guys, so it's okay. Let me take a photo with my girlfriend. Come here, sit there. I take you a photo. Guys, we want to take photo at this point, from this point. This is the massive waterfall. I don't know. Lozzie, imagine my ball starting to stick out again. So you sit down. How am I going to take you? Huh? Yeah, I will take where okay. Photos. Guys, we have completed taking some photos with my lady here. Now it's time to get the fuck out of here. I think, Lozzie, should you go to the food plus and then get out? The food plus? The food plus. Oh, guys, guys, for those who are into butter shoes, there's a shop for butter, Optica. There's that, guys, who need Optica. What? A film starting from 850. They have closed. They have closed. The time it's allowed 6:30. See, 6:30 already. I think it's over 6:30. That's why I wanted us to come out. Wow, have you ever heard of that purified drinking water? Follows, but here is where there is a lot of food. There's a food plus. This is food plus area, guys. And for those guys interested with liquor, there's a liquor shop wholesaler and tailors, guys. This one is for zenye zinatumika kwa hotel, si ndivyo? Wow, guys, utashoot video hadi watutoe wa everywhere, si ndivyo? By the is this cooking oil? 105. Shit, man. Nowadays, cooking oil is like... Check it. Look at this. 5. Look at... This is a joke. This is a joke. Seriously. Aina yoyo aje. How is it pure? Who said that pure is the... When it... Ata asali pure is black. Even asali... No. What I'm saying is that even wow, there's Kamzungu here. Okay, even the Assad is like this one. Huh? This is the color of this product. Everything has its product. Regarding on how, it's all determined by how you produce it. Guys, there's some drinks. My sponsor here, would you buy for me? Yeah, man. Huku kuna kuwa na easy cool things. Ni water. By the way, come you see some type of water by the way. Huku kuna kuwa brand. Tumekuja kukujia maji. Look at this. There's a lot of different brand of water. Check the water.
But
brand, look at the brand of
water.
Nakwambia flavored. Kuna kuwa unajua tulipata maji, hebu cheki another water here.
Eti
baadhi kuna time nimesema tumebishana. There was a time where we were arguing with my friend. We saw someone carrying this and I told the guy is carrying muzinga, something like that. So he took me here so that we can see this type of water because he knew that it was water. Yeah, there's flavored water. I know for sure. Flavored apple, flavored pineapple, flavored what? Flavored mango, flavored orange, flavored what? It's like almost juice. How are you drinking water? Huh? I don't know. There's things you don't buy. You have come for water and then you hear flavored water.
It's lemon water.
Lemon, wow. By the way, have you used easy to
300?
Kuna hii nyingine. By the 350.
Yeah, nasindo 300 ml.
There is this water. Unaona hizi nini water lemon water. I think this is the one, eh? My friend. Ukikunywa na mziga ya Chrome, you not feel the mziga, utafeel hiyo mziga ikiwa sweet. Nilipata town siku nyingine nimeenda. Twende, let's go. Let's go guys. For those who has kids, there's a lot of kids stuff here. Toys. If you want to play with the toys, guys. Okay guys, for those who operate at night, there is torches here. No, this is not torch. What the fuck is this? Where is the words?
Words zenye unasema nakwambia stop saying what the fuck. Hizo umesema kama mara tatu.
See, these are words zenye I can edit out. What's the problem? Oh, treadmill Lozi. I can see you are getting fat. Try and use that. It will be very helpful. 46K. Oh, these are the pants that you are saying, Lozi. This one, how much is it? Wow. 2,000. This one here, this is the price. This is the price at 950, my fledge. Yeah, it's not too much. It's not. Why are you not buying? Why are you not buying it now? See, you buy it. Buy it for me. Eh? Buy it for me. By the way. Are you going to pay? By the way, Lozi, because you paid, you are paid. Where is the money? I have not heard you talking.
Which money?
Lozi, you have been paid. Eh? But you remember those things, those glass storage and jars that are where kuna nini doormat? You remember those that are soda where there is a doormat? They're almost the same with this one. Yeah, guys, I'll show you what I'm talking about when we go back to where I stay. There's that place where they sell something like this, those jars. Wow, guys. Guys, let's go to where they are selling skin and then we get the fuck out of here, man. Let's go and see how much the TV is costing. What the fuck? What? Imagine God, one day God will be blessing us to buy everything here without not 104. We need something that's allowed. Si hiyo iko huko nini?
Ile ilikuwa LG.
By the way, hii nika is not clear.
Hizi si clear. So ni hizi kampuni LED. Ile ni
yeah, these things are not clear. By the way, quality matters on items. Guys, I think it's over. Our tour at the Food Plus is over. We have to go. I think our tour at Food Plus, because we are not buying anything, we are going to go back. What are you buying? Do you have money? Okay, we'll take some drinks and head out. Yeah. Okay, I had come just to show this lady where this mall is at, but I think now we are okay. Huh? And we can head out of this place. Okay. Come, Lucy, let's go. Let's go this way and then go that way. We want our people to see a lot of things. Wow. Guys, I think by the everything. Who knows that song? We are taking some drinks at this point. This is the road where there is a lot of water. This is where we will use. We need to pick some cheap drinks here. Don't have much money to spend. Save money. It's all about saving money, guys. Majia cucumber. We are going to buy some few drinks here, but we are taking cheap drinks because it's all about saving. We are all about saving money. Don't spend our money for nothing. You have to save money for all your life. So, guys, we are going to pick some few drinks, and then we are going to head out. So let us see each other. Let's choose the drink that everyone. Okay, that guy was checking at me, by the way. Which one? I think they are very cheap. Like this 65. That's allowed. That's allowed $5. 6.5 is allowed $5.70. So that's not even wow. Guys, sorry for that one. Guys, these drinks are cheap. Is allowed 40 cents. By the way, Sinivo, imagine I wrote it's $1 by the way, but it's not $1 by the way. It's about, US dollar, that's about 50 cents. By the way, this whole drink here, Pepsi, around 50 cents. What are you picking, Nosy? It's getting dark and I wanted us to shoot some video. By the way, let's say, can I take you somewhere there down? And then we will see. Which one? Which have you ever... She wants something that she have never drunk. Okay, me, I think this one. Lemon. Mixer. I want this one. Lemon something. You see. We go. But these are chemicals, guys. These are not healthy. They are not healthy for your healthy. Okay, guys, we are going to check out and then we'll see what will happen. By the way, Lozi, do you need some chocolates? You don't need chocolates.
Labda chocolate yenyewe, not ice cream.
Yeah, panini. Wow. What have you chosen? Guys, let's see each other after getting out because we are at the point. We can see people checking out, so we'll see. Guys, we have what? They cannot see me. Guys, we have just checked out from the supermarket. And Ebu, let me show those things. Let me show you guys those things. Okay. Oh, Ebu, na those Jojo. Okay, I think these are the things that we have bought and a few chewing gums. And it has costed us allowed $1. $1. So guys, let's check out this place. Let's check and let's head home. But I think I'm going to show her some points down here, some bits where I used to hang out. I used to eat chicken. I know she knows. So let's see if we have time to head there. Adios. Guys, we are out. we want to head out. Is kind of late. We are not going to where I thought I would take her. It's kind of late, but I don't know. Do you need to go there?
No.
What?
We are
She's
going
tired.
home now.
She wants us to go home. How was the tour today?
The tour was fine. I've never been into this mall.
Yeah.
So I was excited.
How excited? What have you bought?
Mavitu mingi. Ziko hapa.
Yeah. Wow. So guys, we are going to head out. And I think we'll come another day here on kind of hurry enough so that we can take some photos. I think guys, if what do you call such a place by the way? Is it a podia or is it a, you get what I mean?
No.
It's a cool place, but we need to come here early so that we can take some pics. So guys, this is the mall. Let me show you. We have come out of our end of the video. What I can say, God, stay in, stay subscribed, and what do I say, man?
Stay subscribed.
Guys, thank you for watching our video. Just subscribe, share, and like. Adios. This is the mall. Stay subscribed. Guys, thank you for watching the video.
Guys, we have come at the end of our video.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, and share.
Time.